Eli Lilly saying that it is pausing its antibody trial due to potential concerns. And then we also had the news out from Johnson and Johnson halting its clinical trials for its vaccine because of a, quote, unexplained illness. Anjalee Khemlani joins us now with those details. Anjalee?
Thanks, Shauna. Yep. So as you mentioned, Eli Lilly, which we know has applied for an emergency use authorization for this monoclonal antibody treatment, did tell us, did announce today that it is concerned about an undisclosed number, actually, of patients. We're not sure just how many participants have been affected, but we're waiting to hear more details on that. Meanwhile, last night, Johnson and Johnson saying that they had at least one adverse event and waiting to see whether or not they can continue their vaccine trial. They have noted, however, that they will continue enrolling for this late stage trial, which is set to hit about 60,000 people. And they expect that to be complete within the next 2 to 3 months. So still on track for that. No changes to the timeline for Johnson and Johnson as a result of this. Meanwhile, for Eli Lilly, we'll definitely wait to see what's in store and whether or not this disrupts that trial.
Hey, Anjalee, just real quick, how quickly are the trial pauses lifted? Like if they look into this, find that there's not a potential safety risk, that everything's okay, how quickly can we see it get back online?
It could, based on what we saw back last month with AstraZeneca, I heard that it could restart in as little as a week. So still waiting to know, even for AstraZeneca, that trial is still on hold. So clearly it can even last much longer. We know that Johnson & Johnson said they'll only know in a few days what the details are, because as of right now, the information is blind to them. So it only goes to this independent group, the Data Safety Monitoring Board, and they determine what needs to be done next.
All right, Anjalee Khemlani, thanks for breaking that down for us.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.